In this video, you will learn more about the Text Edit widget. To configure the widget, let's go to the layer properties of our survey layer. Make sure you're in the Fields tab, because the first thing that we're going to do is to add two fields. The first one we name text, and text widgets can only be assigned to fields with the data type text string. I add a second field called text multiline that we're going to use later to demonstrate the multiline text widget. Also make sure that it's of data type text string, otherwise the text widget will not work. Save the edits and then drag the text field and the text multiline field to the form layout. And I'm going to edit the text attribute. And if I select the text attribute, you can see that the widget type is set to text edit. There's also a multi-line option, but let's first look at what text edit does. In the mobile app, the text can be entered manually or using voice to text if your mobile device supports this feature. Tap the microphone. These are my notes. The text edit widget offers the option to store multiple lines within a single field. So here I have the text multiline attribute, which I configured for the text edit widget with the multiline feature by checking the box multiline. And this is how it looks in the mobile app. The multiline text edit widget will enable you to enter multiple lines of text.